Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
All right, already starting to pick up close to a ½ inch of rain in Eugene. Officially, we are just sitting at around 0.45 so far. Now, we haven't seen that much rain until we picked up almost 7/10 of an inch. And guess when that was? That's right, all the way back on January 12th. So it's been over 2 weeks, or more than 2 weeks, that we've seen that much measurable precipitation. And the good news is we've got more coming as well. This is a wider snapshot. I'll zoom in and show you where things are. We kind of pinpointed in the area, but I want to give you a better idea of sort of what we're dealing with over the next 24 hours. Here you can see this nice little river of moisture moving over top of what used to be our big ridge of high pressure, the one that was keeping us unusually dry and funneling all these showers back off to the east over into the northern Rockies. Well, right now it is all just rain. We have a warm front coming through. Warm fronts generally mean the more what we call stratiform or more blanket rain. That's kind of the steady stuff that moves on through. And a warm front means that the air with it is generally a little warmer too. So thus the snow lines are going to remain above the passes, and certainly ski resorts be a little slushy snow. As we get towards Wednesday, though, we'll slowly bring in the cooler air. Moisture will still be there in place, and that means lots of snow as well. We're not talking about 2-3 feet here, but certainly could see a ½ a foot in some spots. A couple of Cascade crests still getting some snow. Otherwise, you can see from Portland all the way down to Eugene, basically just wet. Darker greens indicating some heavier showers moving up into the northern end of the Cascade range here as well. And then still the icing concerns up towards the Dalles and let's say towards Parkerville, where temperatures could sit below freezing. And so that will all lead to a kind of an icy mix overnight tonight as well. If you're headed out on Interstate 84 eastbound, something to consider. So here are the updates as of about 4 p.m. Now again, we'll continue to update these. You can see everybody getting even out towards Bend and Redmond, a little bit of rainfall, and we'll continue that on through the rest of the night tonight with the temperatures staying very mild. A lot of the warm air coming in out of the southwest, not expecting temperatures to dip much below where we're sitting at right now, which is basically right around 41 to 43 degrees. And again, calm winds, see the humidity sitting at around 89%. It's going to stay fairly soggy for most of the night tonight as well, pretty much across the board. 43 in Corvallis. We've got 54 still down towards Roseburg, 52 out to Newport, 36 in Bend. Watch that number very carefully tonight. Should stay just above freezing, but something we'll be watching. So we've got a couple of areas of low pressure here, sort of rolling over top of this flattened out ridge. Now eventually we'll see the stronger of the three push on through with the cold front late tomorrow afternoon. So that is going to keep a concentration of showers around overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Watch as we take the clock in through the afternoon. All of that finally starts to turn to snow, and we'll see that rain shower activity taper off pretty quickly by late tomorrow afternoon as well. So this is mainly going to be overnight tonight into tomorrow. See some breezy winds moving on through, especially out to the coast. Light snow in the Cascade for the passes, about 2 to 4 inches. Could see close to 5 to 10 as you get up around the ski resorts, and then eventually by the end of the week, things start to slowly taper off. So rain early, turning to showers, staying breezy. Southwest winds around 15-25, gusting maybe to 40 at times out towards the jetties. Showers and breezy by the afternoon for the Umpqua Basin. Temperatures there will also be in the mid to low 40s, or 50s, excuse me. We'll be looking at around 2 to 4 inches at both of the passes, kind of a slushy snow too. This is going to be the real dry, powdery stuff. A wintry mix, but it will be windy out in central Oregon in the 40s. And in the Willamette Valley, we'll see the temperatures generally sitting in the low 50s for tomorrow. Rain at first, turning over to scattered showers by the afternoon. Isolated at best on Thursday, and then things kind of quiet down as we get into the weekend. More sunshine out to the coast, but that means more valley fog, especially for the Umpquas as well. So temperatures slowly falling back into the upper 40s too by the weekend. I'd say probably picking up anywhere from around 2 to 5 inches of snow over the next couple days for the Cascades, and certainly about ½ a foot to a foot at the ski resorts, and some exactly scattered showers for us here in the valley the next couple of days. But we'll have to watch, guys, as we dry out for the weekend. As you and I were talking about last night, Matt, overnight lows start to dip below freezing, and we'll start to see that kind of crummy fog move back in as well.
Crummy fog.
Yeah.
All right. Well.